starting with the main trailer, I'm going to start with the front hitch. This will be different to your Australian hitch. It is locked in position. However, once you connect onto the tow ball, that's it. It is engages, that nothing else. To release the ball from the hitches, you lift the trigger and on. Very simple, but very strong. Now, then you, as you well know, the chains should be linked back across to the trailer. Here you have the breakaway system. This goes onto the handbrake, so that when it's pulled, handbrake immediately engages, the trailer stops and will tug on the towing vehicle. Okay, so that can go around, loop around, or hook directly on to your tow vehicle. With this, I've agreed that you're going to go straight pin until you find another solution, whether it be round pin in Queensland. Okay, that lodges back in there. When you go to change over onto the bus, it's these double bolts here. Undo them, take them off, and then replace with the pintle. That then will match everything else. Handbrake system is very, very simple. Engage and disengage. It will lock all four wheels. Presently I have all the load bearing back onto two lugs. So what you will do is raise it. You'll see down here there's a pin and a notch to suit. What I tend to do is raise it to set point, lock your jockey wheel in, and then wind that last set up so it engages into the notch and pin. Okay, and that you all set up. In reverse, I'd suggest from start, unwind, lower down. Key is to lock it back in position, making sure that it is tight, otherwise the trailer will drop if you disengage. And then raise the trailer up. When you do mount it in position, just make sure you focus on this first and then look at the level of your trailer and then worry about winding this up or down, because what you'll have to do to get your levels will be to raise this up or down and raise the four corner legs also. When you get to the corner legs, you'll find the wind stand, which will be in the central door. Move, stand, place on, and wind down. And that is how the stands go. I would try and strongly dissuade from using power drills or things like that. The reason is it over tightens the tread and you will off tread the whole mechanism. It's not that difficult to wind these up or down. No, we'll leave that there for the moment. So the next stage, when you set the trailer in your base, wind down the stand, you'll be looking at entering and exit, whether it be the bathrooms, your gas, or your tech room. Now, in regards to the bathrooms, these are pre-engaged in slots here, so there's two little toots. You disengage, pull out, and then fold out. Okay, that is it. That's all the mechanism requires. In reverse, just fold up both hands back, but the key is to get these teeth back into place. Okay. Once they're engaged, you have no worry then on traveling.